We're going to get introduced to artificial intelligence. So shall begin by looking at the definition of AI. So in simple terms, AI is a process where machine perform tasks that requires human intelligence. So there is difference between narrow AI and general AI, and we shall also look at the basics of machine learning and how AI learns from our data. So AI in web development, it can help us writing code, for example HTML and CSS, even JavaScript automatically without us writing it ourselves. We just prompt it or command it, and then it goes ahead and write for us code. And that's how we can use AI in programming or in web programming. And it can also help us to convert descriptions into a code. So we can give a list of things that we want to achieve, and the AI can help us to convert those instructions or that description into a real code that is actually functioning. And it also helps in completing or suggesting the code. So AI can also help us as you're typing. It predicts what you're going to write next, and then suggests to you. And then if you're okay with it, you go ahead and implement it. Okay, so it can help us to do what? To suggest the code. And also it helps us to understand complex problems or complex code. If you are, let's say there's a project that have already been developed and you want to start contributing to it, so you can use AI to explain that code. And also AI do learn from what you already have. So AI can learn and expand its knowledge with time. And also it gives us multiple solutions or approaches. If you have a problem to solve, and you want different options of how you can approach or solve that problem, AI can help us to come up with different solutions, and you pick one from what it has suggested for you. Also, AI can help us in debugging and solving problem, and can also help us in designing and in designing, for example, choosing for us a right color palette, designing for us the layout, as well as accessibility improvement. So AI can help us do all those things. So that's what you should be knowing, that AI, what possibly AI can do what for you. So here are popular tools for AI. We have different tools that we can use to AI. For example, we have a GitHub, and we have GitHub, we have ChatGPT or Claude. There's also an AI assistant. We have Tab9, and then you have Cursor, and then Veo.dev. So all these are different artificial intelligence models or platforms that can help us do what? To implement AI. So I'll need you to go and do what? And check them out. So AI also do have ethics and limitations. AI can make mistakes, so you should always be aware of that AI can also as well make mistake. And also AI needs a human verification, so don't take everything that AI does for you directly as something that is 100% perfect and ready to be used. You have to review what AI has done for you, and then understanding, not just copying. So it will be a very good thing or a very good practice to first understand something before you do what? You copy and paste it. You're not going to write it yourself like from scratch, but AI will write it for you. Your task will be to just first understand it and then implement accordingly or modify where necessary. So that is your task in this game of AI. So use AI in ethical tools, and also you have to attribute how code was generated by AI. So your task in this section, I want you to sign up for a free AI account. For example, ChatGPT, Claude, or any other similar accounts or any other similar platform that we have suggested up here. So that's what I want you to do. All right, you should go ahead and sign up for AI. So let's meet in the next session. We're going to look at what? Agentic AI.